Welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Today we're making zucchini sliders, and the first thing we're going to do is saute the vegetables, the green peppers, the red onions, and the jalapeno, which is optional. I just like spice in my life. And we're going to add all the seasoning to it about 2 or 3 minutes into the cooking. And a cup of chorizo. Now I will leave the recipe in the description box below. After it's cooked for about 2 or 3 minutes, we're going to add 1 cup of marinara sauce for some richness and a little bit more depth. We're going to let this reduce a little bit, and then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of pepper. Again, spice. I love it. We're going to let this simmer for another 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're going to pull this off and start building our zucchini sliders. Now what I'm going to do is take some of the marinara sauce and put that in the bottom, and then we're going to layer. So we're going to do zucchini, the mixture, and then cheese, and we're going to repeat. And it will be a little full at the top, but no worries. As the zucchini cook, it will reduce down, so no worries. After this, we're going to put it in the oven for about 40 minutes, and you can use a toothpick or a knife to see if it's tender. So guys, after this is done, my husband and I will taste this with you in just a moment. Was worth it.
Yeah, it was good. Hope you guys enjoyed the shots. Y'all staying safe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. Ain't that right? Mm-hmm. Did I do that right?
Mm-hmm. Like, share, hit the notification button.
Mm-hmm.
Tell a friend about us.
And cook this dish.
Yeah, it's freaking delicious.
For your family while you're locked up. I'm just playing. while we being safe.
Thank you guys for watching Vegan with Soul, and we'll catch you next time in our kitchen.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye-bye, guys.